Hello, my name's Charlie James from PureTech Security. I'm the UK training manager, and today I'm talking to you about the long-awaited Cortex range. Now, the first recorder I want to talk about is called the Commander. Now, the Commander is a 16-channel full AI recorder. Now, this unit here was designed for domestic, stroke large domestic, stroke small commercial. So some of the things that the Commander can do is things like facial recognition, intelligent tripwires, intelligent intrusion areas, and you can put a 4K camera on all 16 channels. Just a few years ago, when our customers were asking for these type of features, it always came with a health warning because tripwires, intrusion areas was just begging for false alarms, because at the end of the day, all it was looking for was motion, and that would trigger an alarm. How this works is it still uses motion, but it also uses what's called smart motion detection. What smart motion detection is looking for is two things: a human or a vehicle. If it's not one of those, then it's a false alarm, so it's filtered out. We've gone from a 98% chance of a false alarm right down to less than 2%. Now, the Patriot, slightly different. As you can see, it's in a PC casing. Now, the beauty of this is we can do a bespoke build for you. So if you require this to be a rack mounted PC, we can put it in that chassis for you. So what it looks like is all determined on what your requirement will be. So this is suitable for, I would say, a commercial installation, right up to a fairly large commercial. So some great features on there, and this will take any camera that is ONVIF compliant, ANPR, once again 4K on all 32 channels. Okay, so the next recorder I want to talk to you about is called the Admiral. Now, the Admiral comes in a 4U and a 2U, so I've got two stacked up on top of each other here, simulating how it would probably look inside a cabinet. So the 2U is obviously the smaller one of the two, so this would give you 8, 16, 32 channels. The 4U below it will actually give you 64 and 128 channels. This has been used in some very, very high-end retail marketplaces. This has actually gone into the co-op football stadiums like Portsmouth Football Club. So it's a solution that has been around for the last 9 years, but it's only recently we've allowed this openly to the trade. You had to have a special license to be using these products in the past. Like the Patriot, the Admiral, they both have built in what's called Team Viewer. This makes life so much easier, especially if you've got an engineer on site who's not quite sure how to program it. You can literally take control of the system via the Team Viewer built into it, making this an ideal safe city solution, or areas of like public transport, casinos, airports, education like schools, colleges. We've got these in government installations and many retail outlets as well. So this fantastic technology here is also backed up with our free VMS software. So the Cortex VMS software, what it will actually do is enable you to be able to dial into your system remotely and take full control of the recorder. Now, if you're on local connectivity, you can also take control of the cameras and make changes within the camera head. Once again, this software is completely free of charge and can be downloaded from our website. So now you've seen the X range by Cortex. This is our British solution, UK design and UK build. Now, if you want to learn more about these products, please go to our website at puretechsecurity.co.uk. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notifications on every time we release a new video.